Hello Excel wizards! Today, we're diving into cell management with Control plus Shift plus plus. This nifty shortcut inserts a new row above your selected cell. It's a quick way to add space to your spreadsheet without disrupting your existing data. Let's master the art of inserting rows effortlessly with Control plus Shift plus plus. Selecting entire columns or rows has never been easier. Control plus space selects the entire column of the active cell, and Shift plus space selects the entire row. These shortcuts are perfect for applying formatting or performing operations on a grand scale. Let's unleash the potential of Control plus space and Shift plus space. Data stamp time. Control plus semicolon inserts the current date into the selected cell. It's a quick way to timestamp your entries without typing. Let's make our data more informative with the help of Control plus semicolon. Say goodbye to manually typing dates. Formatting aficionados, this one's for you. Control plus 1 opens the Format Cells dialog box, giving you a plethora of formatting options. From number formats to font styles, it's a one-stop shop for customization. So, check out the formatting wonderland with Control plus 1. Let's talk about cell contents. Alt plus Enter allows you to add a line break within a cell. It's perfect for multi-line entries or improving the readability of your data. Let's embrace the power of Alt plus Enter and make our cell contents more organized and legible. Please support the channel by clicking on subscribe button and enable all notifications.